Hi, I'm Michelle Newman, the Psychic Sound Healer, here with the Love Vibe. The Love Vibe is here for you to live in love, expansion, well-being, the knowing that you are on the right path, the living the fullness of who you are, living your life right, living your life with that shimmer of love. And it's the new moon in Aries. Oh my goodness. Big, wild, wonderful energy of that Aries new moon. And it's like rolling in, big wave coming at us. And I have had the most amazing, miraculous fortune of being able to spend this new moon with Rabbi Tirzah Firestone, who is also a psychologist. She is truly a powerhouse of wisdom, as she has just written a book called Wounds into Wisdom, turning your wounds and all of the DNA that we carry into a healing wisdom that you can actually truly embrace, face the truth of who you are, and just look at yourself and turn those wounds into wisdom for your own life, for your relationships, for how you deal with everything. So the book is amazing. I highly suggest you look at it. She talks about our DNA. I take it a bit further. I had a discussion with her about this. I take it into all of our lives that we've lived, the past lives, and whatever wounds we've received from that. Our whole soul spectrum, all of your Akashic records, everything that has ever wounded you and given you a trauma or any kind of unhappy right into your aura and your body and your mind and heart and soul, and turning it into a healing place where you can face the truth, really face the truth, and then make choices, and then turn it into an action that becomes your wisdom for your life. So the blessing I received this weekend in the new moon energy, and I was very full being in it, being in the new moon and living the healing with 50 other women. It was pretty incredible. Down at Asilomar in Monterey, it was a gorgeous sunny weekend, and we went to the ocean, and it was so powerful and so healing. And as I was tuning in and finding what the message was for this new moon, I got it's Rabbi Tirzah's book, Wounds into Wisdom. And then I looked it up on a few other new moon sites and looked at the meaning, and it matched perfectly. And I said, yep, my experience is the one to share. We had so many beautiful exercises that were life-changing for many of us in that room. Most of us, I would say, almost all of us had breakthroughs. And one of the really amazing exercises that we did was actually draw a family tree and then look for alliances with different people, meaning what do you have that are similarities? What are patterns within your family, like 3 or 4 generations? What kind of patterns? Is there alcoholism and abuse and drugs and depression and whatever else? all the different patterns you can find. So many. Oh, one that came up in my family was anger. Yeah, a lot of anger in different people, and also big-heartedness. I, I, I feel like I had a lot of anger in my lifetime, and I've spent many years working on that. And at this point, big-heartedness, the ability to open up your heart and be generous with others. So that was also a beautiful pattern I saw among many, many, many people in my family, including my mother, my father, my husband. Because one of the things you see when you look at the patterns in your life and in your DNA, and if you get into past lives, the same thing, is you're attracting people in your life. You're attracting all the people in your life, every relationship you have, a love relationship, family relationship, friends. All of the relationships are also based on what that wounding in your life was. What are the wounds you carry? What are the traumas you're living with? What are uh, the patterns that are in your family? And you attract people in your life based on those things. And so that's why it's so important to heal them and to find how you can face the truth, make choices, and understand it, and then turn it into an action of true healing, which becomes the wisdom that you're living with. And so I am offering and inviting you to do similar type exercises. I'm not going to go over every single exercise here. We spent a lot of time with that. I am certainly willing to help you with that. Of course, Rabbi Tirzah is the expert, and you will probably want to read her book if you're interested in this. It's just fabulous. Wounds into Wisdom, Rabbi Tirzah Firestone. And she's also was a psychologist for many years before she became a rabbi. So she really carries a lot of experience and wisdom with her. I am extremely happy to help you face your truth, make some choices, and turn it into healing action. As a psychic sound healer, this is what I do with my clients. This is what I do for myself. I have to do it for myself before I can ever help other people. And so I have been through so many years of this very thing and just got another one. I actually, when I went to this, I didn't actually believe that I had even more healing to do. We all go, oh yeah, I've had lots of healing. I've had healers up the gazoo and therapy and I've been healing forever. Well, guess what? It just keeps on rolling. There's always more. And so I had a wonderful, wonderful healing, and I feel like I have gained new insight and big breakthroughs. And so once again, I am ready for you, and you can call me, you can email me. All the information is right down below. I am extremely happy to be there for you as the psychic sound healer, here to help you uplift your soul. And as I help you and I help others, my mission is to help uplift the soul of humanity so that we can truly live in the higher vibrational field, a higher resonance, the love vibe, because it's such a great place to be. And that's where we want our world to be. That's where everyone needs to be. It's how we change everything. So I'm here to help you, and you can help others. And give me a call, give me an email. Let's talk about it. Whatever you need, I am here. Michelle Newman, the psychic sound healer with the love vibe.